Hi, I'm John Edmiston, and here I'm going to show you how to use the Harvestime International Institute. The web address is harvestimeinstitute.org. Harvestime Institute.org. And here we are on the front page. Up here is the login area where you can log in with your username and password. If you haven't got a username and password, you have to go down here. You can get here. You can look at all of this before you enroll, but here says how to enroll. So to get your username and password, go to this link, how to enroll, follow the instructions, and you will be enrolled in the course. And there's a $5 fee for enrollment. Now, before you enroll, you might want some information. Now, see these PDF files here? They're very important. So the two most important PDFs are this one here, the Harvestime International Institute Handbook, and it says read me first before studying, and the orientation guide, which says read me second before studying, and of course the order of study, so you know what order you'll do the subjects in. So read these two things first, and that'll give you an idea. So then enroll, and when you've got your login and your password, you go up here and you can log in. You see I've done it here, and there's my name. So I'm an admin, so I have slightly different view. Now, once you're enrolled, you go down, down, down. You see French here and English. Now, down to the man with the Bible. And here it says, if you're French, you go on this side. English here, Associate Diploma in Biblical Ministries. Let's click on that. That takes us to where all the subjects are, where all the material is. So all of the subjects are one big long page along with your exams. So let's go up to the first subject. It's Strategies for a Spiritual Harvest. And here it is, some information about the exam. Now, same format in each subject. There's a PDF textbook. It's free. You just download it. It's got all the stuff you need in the course to pass the exam. So here we have a PDF textbook. I think for this subject, it's about 120 pages. Then when you've read that and you understand it and you want to do your exam, first you've got to make the $7 payment with PayPal or your credit card over here. So you click there. Once you've clicked there and paid your money, you'll have permission to do the exam. So you go here for the exam. The exam's always got a big tick next to it. And you click there to do the exam. And after you've done the exam, you get and pass, you get a certificate, Strategies for a Spiritual Harvest, and it's emailed to you and you can print it out. Let's go down. Look here, Foundations of Faith, same thing, PDF textbook, the exam, where you pay PayPal, and so we'll just pick a random subject and creative Bible study. Okay, you get a textbook, exam, payment with PayPal. Let's click on the exam here. Takes me to the exam, and it says 65 people have attempted this exam before me. So I'll go and attempt the quiz now. And this is when you're doing the exam, you click here. It takes you through. And there's the thing. And it says the word Bible means. And so that's what the question is. And the word scripture means writing, and so on. And so all these two major divisions of the Bible are Old and New Testaments, and you click the answer you want. So there you are, and all the answers are in the textbooks, and you can have multiple goes at the exams. It's quite easy and straightforward. We want you to pass. So that happens for each of those subjects, and that's how you can do your exam. Let's go back to the beginning. Here we are on the front page. Quick run through. You come to harvestimeinstitute.org. You read the handbook, the orientation guide. Then you enroll. Here, how to enroll. Once you've enrolled with your username and password, you log in up here. And you can go down to the bottom, pick your subject. There's a lot of material up here about how to study. You can read that as well. And then you go down to the subject you want to study, in this case, Strategies for a Spiritual Harvest. You download the textbook, study this textbook, pay for the exam, do the exam, and then get the certificate. That's as easy as that, and when you've done all 22 subjects, you will get your associate or diploma. If you're in America, they call it an associate's degree. If you're elsewhere in the world, it's called a diploma. God bless you all. That's it for now.